Hello guys, DRWilson here once again. It's been a while since I posted here on my channel, but it's good to be back. One of the viewers asked that I teach how to look for an apartment here in Vietnam. So that will be the topic for this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how simple it is to look for an apartment or a room here in Vietnam. I would have to head behind my laptop and then teach you how to go about this. Let's meet behind my laptop. Alright guys, so we are here on Facebook. This is the new look of Facebook. You can have the classic version or the classic look on Facebook. It's still the same thing. You can easily do what I'm going to show you on my screen right now. Like there are several sites where you can find apartment for rent here in Vietnam, but the simplest way to look for an apartment here in Vietnam is to log into your Facebook account and then look for Facebook Marketplace. When you click on Facebook Marketplace and then in search Marketplace, you type apartment for rent in the area you want to live. This you normally have to get your job first and then look for an apartment close to your workplace. I think that's the best thing to do. But that notwithstanding, to look for an apartment in Vietnam, you just go to Marketplace and then in the search bar you just type apartments for rent in let's say in Teho. Teho is actually where most of the expats or expatriates live. So when you type something like this, you'll be given a lot of options like you can see on my screen. So you can go through the pictures and then any of them that you find very interesting and then appealing to your demands, you just click on it and then go ahead and then read the details of the adverts. Let me click on this one so that we look at it. So if you look at this particular advert, it has a lot of pictures. You can be scrolling through the pictures, and when you look at the advert description, mostly it is written in Vietnamese, but luckily this advert is written in English. If it is written in Vietnamese, you can translate it automatically into English by clicking on the bottom just under the advert. Because this is in English, you can just go ahead and then read. So for this particular apartment, it is going for $400 per month. If you read the details, it is a 1-bedroom apartment. It is fully equipped. Normally when they say fully equipped, it comes with Wi-Fi, TV, bed, water, and then you pay extra bill for electricity and then maybe maintenance. But whatever it is, when you click on an advert, you read the details of the advert that you find interesting, and then if you look mostly at the bottom of the adverts, you get the numbers of the advertisers. But in this case, the advertiser didn't put his or her number here, but you can still go ahead and then type a message to the advertiser, and I am very sure within some few hours or within 24 hours the advertiser will reply your message. And if you are interested, you can arrange a meeting and then meet with the advertiser and then go and look at the place if you like it, and then just go ahead and then sign a contract with the advertiser or the landlord. So that is looking for an apartment here in Vietnam. So we look for an apartment in Teho. Let's look elsewhere. Let's say apartment for rent in Mae Chi. Mae Chi is where I live. I live in Vin Homes, Green Bay. It's in Mae Chi. Alright, so when you type apartment for rent in Mae Chi, these are the pictures, or these are the adverts on my screen, as you can see. So like I said, you look through the pictures and then you read which of them you find interesting. You just go ahead and then click on the advert. All right, so this is an apartment this is actually an apartment where I live. Let me click on it and then let's see. Vin Homes, Green Bay, that's where I live. This place comes with a swimming pool and then gym. It's all part of the rental fees. What you pay extra is for electricity, water, and then maintenance, and that will also depend on your usage. For this particular room, it is $600 per month. I think it's a 2-bedroom apartment. Let's see. So yes, it's a 2-bedroom apartment, which is in Vin Homes, Green Bay, and this place is close to my school. That's why I chose an apartment here. So you can go ahead and then look at the pictures, and then that's it. That's how simple it is to look for an apartment here in Vietnam. And if you have any question, you can just send me the question, and I'll be glad to answer it as and when I am available to do that. So that's it. That's how simple it is to look for apartments here in Vietnam. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and then be prompted whenever there is a new video. And I'll be doing a video, I think, by this weekend, to tell you guys about the new work permit requirements here in Vietnam. There's a new work permit requirement for all teachers here in Vietnam, whether you're a native or a non-native. I'll do the video and then upload it probably before the week ends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe and then follow me on my social media handles. Bye bye for now.